Journal names. References imported from one database may have the full journal name in the journal field, while references from another database may have an abbreviation. Note here that these two references show the journal name differently. An EndNote style can substitute a different version of the name in the formatted bibliography if you set up a journal's term list for the library. The journal's term list acts as a lookup list for the different versions of the name. You may also need to set your output style to work with the journal's term list if it is not already set to do so. To begin, select Tools, Open Term List, then Journals Term List. If journals are already present in the list, you will need to delete the current list of journals because some of them may have names in the wrong columns. Select all the journals in the list and then click the Delete Term button. Select the Lists tab. Click the Import List button. Go to the Terms Lists folder inside the EndNote Program folder on Windows, or the Terms folder inside the EndNote Application folder on Macintosh. Select the journals list for your field of study, then click the Open button. Click the OK button. Click the Terms tab. You will now see a list of full journal names and their matching abbreviations in the correct columns. Close the Term Lists window. Open the Style Manager by selecting Edit, Output Styles, then Open Style Manager. You can show just the styles already on your favorites list by clicking the Find By button, then selecting Favorites. Select a style, then click the Edit button to open it for editing. Select the Journal Names option at the left of the Style Editing window. If the style is already set to something other than Don't Replace, as the APA style is here, it is already set to use the journal's term list and you can close the style without making any changes. If the style is set to Don't Replace, as the Vancouver style is here, select the journal name options you prefer. Save the style with a new name by selecting Save As from the File menu. The new style will automatically be saved to an EndNote folder in your Documents folder. Close the Style Editing window and the Style Manager. Here you see that both references now consistently show the full journal name, as the APA style requires. When I change to the Vancouver copy style, the abbreviation is now shown for both references. The full journal name will now appear in my bibliographies when using the APA style, and the abbreviation will appear when using the Vancouver copy style.